So a funeral is going on at King's Chapel on Windward Road. They were attending the funeral for Romaine Anthony White when we were told that gunshots rang out. In the end, I think 2 or 3 people were killed. And
2 died.
It says a number of folks were injured. Wow.
9 people shot.
Yeah, I think 2.
2 have died.
Yeah, I don't know where I read somewhere that they said 3. Or,
That was the initial report.
right, so 2. Wow.
So these folks are just having a funeral and these gunmen just come up in cars and motorbikes and start to spray?
Mm-hmm. They said Mr. White was a higgler he was stabbed to death more than a month ago and in a dispute over a parking space. So he lost his life over a parking space. Wow.
We need to do better, you know. We have to do better.
They went down to Kingston Public Hospital and Mr. Green, I think Mr. Green is...
Earl Green?
Yeah.
CEO of KPH.
Yeah, he said usually in a weekend we have 1 emergency theatre that's open. We had to open 4 to ensure that the hospital could respond to what was taking place. He says they've also mobilized the emergency lab services because they needed additional resources, including blood. Oh.
Jesus. This is the bottom of the barrel, Jamaica. This is where we are. This is where we are. Better news.
Yeah.
If we can lift your spirits a little bit after that. Jamaica's first women's entry in the bobsled World Cup. We finished 7th out of 23 teams on Saturday in Germany, a place called Winterberg. The team of Jasmine Fenlater-Victorian and Breakhome and Carrie Russell put themselves in a position to be the first Jamaican women to qualify for the Olympics in the winter sport that is contested on ice. That's amazing.
More importantly is the 7th place finished by the Jamaican team put them 24 points ahead of Romania for that last Olympic spot. They say with a number of races to go, so we're not there yet.
Oh,
but with 24 points ahead of the last spot, fingers crossed, we're going to be there, folks.
That is incredible, you guys.
Yeah.
That's another move in the works.
Yep.
They say Fenlater-Victorian is a former U.S. Olympian, switched allegiance to Jamaica, the birthplace of her father. She did that a few years ago. And of course, you know what her bobsled team, the male team, did. And then the movie Cool Runnings was done. So we know that another one is in the works with these ladies who have made history.
Brilliant stuff.
We have no ice, Bertrand. How them know? Anyway, we have Red Girl Ring.
Well,
yes, they didn't have, what do you call it?
Yeah, well, we are now doing ice hockey. So they're going to find somewhere to...
And then didn't we just qualify for some rugby?
Yeah, man, rugby World Cup. But the ice rink, because what they do, they have something underneath, so you could actually freeze the water. Because in North America, usually where they do ice hockey is the same place where they play basketball.
Oh, so at certain times of the year.
Yeah, they kind of turn it off and they put the boards on top of it, and then when they're ready now, they must turn on the water and freeze it again and take off the boards, and there you go. So apparently we're getting...
So what do we use to practice, please?
Well, that's why I said we're going to get a hockey rink.
Here?
Yeah. We're going to get an ice rink here.
We're just too much. Honestly.
No, because
we can't keep
I'm
up.
not certain, because I don't want to get it wrong. It's either, I think it's the Special Olympians that did we not win a gold medal in yeah, we did in ice skating.
So what sport are we not in now? It's American football?
No, well, that's when we reached to. We in baseball, we in everything.
Gymnastics?
We in everything. We are
who we are. For choo-choo.
We are who we are. This one is not good news at all. This fire in California continues. My daughter lives in California, but the good news is that she said she's not affected, but she also said it was really, really scary. Wow. They said burning through over 148 acres so far. requiring the use of 575 fire engines, and they use planes and everything. More than 530 structures have been destroyed and 118 damaged. Wow. So many people have lost their homes, like flattened.
Gone.
Look at that. Yeah.
Gone. Communities
totally
are gone.
Yep.
And they say at least one fire-related death
Virginia
has been
Pessoa,
reported.
70 years old, of Santa Paula. She was found in a car that had crashed along an evacuation route in Ventura
Imagine
County.
trying to outdrive the fire. Poor lady. Oh my gosh.
Incredible.
And then you want to tell me about climate change? No,
Incredible.
no. Tell me that it's not real.
The boss doesn't say nothing
Can't
about
tell me
that.
that. Who's boss?
The boss doesn't say nothing
Your
about
boss?
that. Not my boss.
Must be your boss.
The great Sir Donald said not
Okay.
that thing was.
So who has birthdays today?
Well, many
little man?
people have birthday. Let me show you this young man. His name is Yuri. Yuri Dryden is 10 years old today. That's his grandma right beside him, my very good friend Novlin. So Yuri is 10 today. Yuri, birthday greetings coming from your dad Demar, your mom Robin, and your grandma Novlin. Hope you have a brilliant day. He goes
Yuri's on the left hand?
to yeah,
Yuri's 10?
yeah, Yuri is 10.
He looks older than 10.
Yeah, Yuri goes to Mona Prep. He's one of the goalkeepers for the Mona Prep school team. Happy birthday to Kayla South, who was a part of the Camperdown All Together Sing Choir. Birthday greetings coming from your godmom Anne-Marie Massey. And also happy birthday to Ryan Richards, also coming from Miss Annie. So Ryan, I hope you have a great day. I noticed I saw one coming in today. Happy birthday to Brittany Coley. Happy birthday, Brittany. Hope you have a brilliant day today, and I wish you many, many more. And happy birthday to Floyd Minot, Beverly Wright, and Daryl Brown. All the greetings coming from Julie. So hope you all have a brilliant day today. Many happy returns. You got none? You don't got none. Happy birthday, folks. Have a great day today.
We know the key to unity of all people is in the dream that you had so long ago that lives in all of the hearts of people who believe in unity. We'll make the dream become a reality. I know we will. Because our hearts tell us